All right, let's go over this first question that you guys have answered. Which of the following numbers is between 456,094 and 630,200? So my suggestion for this answer, or for this question, is you're going to plug these numbers into your place value chart, and then in the middle, you're going to plug each one of these answer choices into it. So you have a place value chart that looks like this on your computer. And what I suggest you do is type your two numbers that you're given up here at the top, type them in the top and the bottom, and then your answer choices would go in the middle. Or you can make your own place value charts on your piece of paper, whatever works for you. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. 456,094 and 630,200. All right, and then in the middle, so I have those two numbers. I'm going to write those two numbers in green. I'm going to put my answer choice here. 455,095. Okay? Now let's look at this. If your answer is going to be between these two numbers, it has to be bigger than this number, than 456,094, and it has to be smaller than 630,200. That is a number that is going to be between both of these. Bigger than this first one, smaller than this second one. So 455,095. Is that bigger than 456,094? So if you're just looking at this first number, it has to meet both of them. So if it doesn't meet being bigger than this first one, it cannot be your answer. So 456,094, 455,095. 4 in my 100,000s, 5 in my 10,000s, a 6 and a 5. Which number is greater, 6,000 or 5,000? 6,000 is greater, so that means that this first answer choice is not bigger than 456,094. So you can cross that out. All right, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to plug my two numbers in. 456,094. Sorry about that. And then my second number is 630,200. Okay, so now I'm working with these two, and I'm going to plug in the number 630,205. All right, those are the two numbers that I'm working with. Remember, it has to be bigger than this number, than my first number, and smaller than my second number. 456,094 compared to 630,205. I have a 4 in my 100,000s and a 6 in my 100,000s in my first two numbers, the first place value spot. That works. 600,000 is going to be bigger than 400,000. Now let's look at this one. 600,000, 600,000, 30,000, 30,000. We don't have a value in our thousands. 200, 200. 0, 0 in my tens. That doesn't have a value. 5 and 0. Well, my number is almost the same until we get to the very last place value in the ones. So this 0 needs to be bigger than the 5, and that is not true, so it does not work. You can cross that answer out. All right, two more answer choices. And I automatically see that 303,000, I know that that is smaller than 456,000. I'm going to cross that one out because I know that 400,000 is more than 300,000, and this number, my first number, needs to be smaller than the answer that you choose. So I'm going to cross it out, which means I only have one left to check. And I'm not just going to circle it because it's the last one left. I'm going to check my work all the way through because I make mistakes. And that's okay. And I want to be confident in my answer. All right, we're almost done. Stay with me. And I'm going to plug this last answer choice in. 498,212. Well, look at this first place value. Remember, this second number, this number in red, needs to be bigger than my number in green. 456,000, 498,000. That's bigger. 498 is bigger than 456 if you just look at it with your only 3 digits. Okay, now this number needs to be smaller than this number. The number in red, our answer choice, needs to be smaller than this number, the number from our question. 498,000, 630,000. That's smaller, so your correct answer is D. If you chose D as your answer, go spin the spinner and move your game piece.